Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am going to show you how to increase or decrease values by one click, which is called spin button. Let us get started. Go to developer. If you don't have developer in menu tab, then you can add it from file, options, then customize ribbon. Here, check the developer box, then close the window. Go to developer, insert, spin button, add it to here. Okay, right click on it, format control. Here you can set your value, minimum and maximum value. I'll choose 50, and you can change the incremental, then link the unit. Okay, as you can see, it can be increased or decreased. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.